Imagine this. After 10 years of total domination, after winning the Champions League, and after turning Manchester City into the most unstoppable football machine in the world, Pep Guardiola could officially be leaving City. Yes, English reports today dropped a massive bombshell. Guardiola may manage his final game for Manchester City this week. But is the story actually true? Who could replace him? And why could this become the biggest decision in modern Manchester City history? Today on Added Time, we break down the full story. It all started with a major report from Sky Sports News, claiming that internal sources expect Pep Guardiola to leave at the end of the season. According to the report, Manchester City have already started preparing for life after Pep, and Italian coach Enzo Maresca is currently the leading candidate to replace him. What makes the story even bigger? Several top football journalists in England back the same information, including Fabrizio Romano and other major media outlets. But pay close attention. As of now, there has been no official announcement from Manchester City. The club still insists Guardiola remains under contract until 2027, and Pep himself recently said that he is happy at the club. And this is where the real mystery begins. Are these leaks actually true? Or is this simply massive media pressure before the season ends? Honestly, there are many reasons why fans believe the end may finally be near. First, Guardiola has been at Manchester City since 2016. That's almost 10 full years, the longest managerial project of his career. Second, he has literally won everything possible. 6 Premier League titles, a Champions League trophy, the Club World Cup, and he transformed City into one of the most feared teams in Europe. So the obvious question is, what is left for Pep to achieve? Many analysts also believe Guardiola is mentally exhausted. The pressure at Manchester City has been enormous, and especially after years of constant domination. Even in recent interviews, Pep sometimes sounded like a man thinking about taking a break, or maybe searching for a brand new challenge. Right now, the strongest candidate to replace him is Enzo Maresca. Maresca is no stranger to Manchester City. He previously worked as Guardiola's assistant during the club's Champions League winning era. In fact, Pep himself once described Maresca as one of the best young managers in the world. But can he really replace a man who changed English football forever? Because Guardiola leaving City would not be just another managerial change. It would be the end of an entire era. This is the coach who transformed English football through build-up play, high pressing, possession football, and even the way modern coaches think about the game itself. Many fans already consider him one of the greatest Premier League managers of all time. And now the question is for you. Do you think it's finally time for Pep Guardiola to leave Manchester City? And can Enzo Maresca truly succeed him? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Added Time and turn on notifications, because the next few days could bring one of the biggest shocks in world football.